All right, today's activity will just be a review of long division. So I am going to show you number 1 and number 5, and so you can work together with me on those. So the first one, we have a one-digit divisor, and we're going to start with our step. We have divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. Remember, those are our steps in long division. So we're going to divide first. 7 will not go into 2, it'll go into 29 4 times. 4 times 7 is 28. Subtract and get 1, then bring down your 5. 7 will go into 15 2 times. 2 times 7 is 14. Subtract and get 1, bring down your 4. And now you divide. 7 goes into 14 2 times, and it's an even 2 times because 2 times 7 is 14. So your answer is 422. And remember, we can check when we're doing long division. Or when we are doing division, we can check. So 422 times 7. 7 times 2 is 14. 7 times 2 plus 1 is 15. 7 times 4 plus 1 is 29. And if you look, that is correct. All right, and for our next one, we have a double-digit divisor. So 47 will not go into 13, but it will go into 132. And we can kind of use rounding to help us figure that out. So 47 rounds to about 50, and 132, we could round it to 130, 100, 150, but 50 would only go into 130 twice. So let's try 47 times 2. Which is 94. And let's try 47 times 3 just to make sure. So that's too much. So it only goes in twice. 2 times 47 is 94. All right, and we're going to subtract. You get 38. Bring down your 7. All right, so let's think about 47 being 50, and we're going to keep that at about, we're going to round that to 350. Well, 50 will go into 350 about 7 times. So let's try 7. So that's 329, and we can try 8 just to make sure. So it looks like it will go in 8 times, and 8 times 47 is 376. Subtract, and that's your remainder. And so remember, we can also check by saying 28 times 47. So 8 times 7 is 56. And I'm sorry, this is hard to be videoing and writing. 7 times 2 plus 5 is 19. Remember, have your 0 as your placeholder. 4 times 8 is 32. And then add your remainder to see if it's correct. Sorry, just 1 second. And if you look back at your dividend, that number in the box, it is 1,327. And when we checked our answer, that's what we got. So that's correct.